Hello everybody, today we are here to learn a number system from 51 to 100. So let's get started. Our first number is 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Our number journey 51 to 100 is over. Thanks for watching my video. If you like our video, please share and subscribe.